Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. Disclaimer, I have on sweatpants because I have been cleaning all day and honestly finally at like 5 p.m. actually maybe later, but I won't tell you that. I just put makeup on, but I wanted to share with you, I'm going to Paris on Monday, and I wanted to share with you my 10 favorite things that I am taking along. I am really excited about all these things. I definitely did way too much shopping for this trip. There's no way I'm going to be able to shoot all of these looks, so you will still see them hopefully when I get back, but I'm trying to think about what I want to show you first. Alright, I'll kick off with this because it's sparkly. So this is 10 things that are really just things that I thought were beautiful with like a Paris backdrop, but honestly like you could wear these anywhere. It's just 10 things I'm loving right now. This is the cutest top ever. It has these sparkly hearts on it, and I remember it was a really good price. I cannot remember exactly how much it was, but it's so cute. This actually, well, that's the back. Okay, this is the front. And it's so cute, and I just love the star details. I think it'll be magical in Paris. Next up are these boots from Nasty Gal, and I honestly felt unsure about them at first, but they've really grown on me immediately when I opened them out of the package. I obviously love the color, but I just think that they're really fun, and I don't know, they're just a great way to add color. And this I thought was weird at first. It reminded me of a horse, but seeing it in person, I actually like. I think that it makes it look more like high fashion, designery kind of, sort of. That's just my take anyway, but love these. Very excited to bring them along. And then next up, I got this a little while ago, and I have been waiting for the perfect background to shoot it in, and I think that Paris, it'll just be beautiful. It's a bodycon, which is crazy for me because I never go for bodycons, but it was only $40 and I've gotten some lint on it, so excuse that, but it's just a red kind of like mock turtleneck long sleeve bodycon, and I feel like for at night or even just during the day with a cute little beret or some type of hat, scarf or new hair, it would just be so cute there. And then next up is from a French brand that I love. This is definitely a splurge item. It's from Cezanne, and I love this bag. It reminds me of like the zebra gum, like the stripes or whatever. I just love the color. In summer, I feel like I have a really hard time dressing because I like to be crazy and I like to dress really crazy and with lots of colors and accessories, and it's kind of hard to do that in the summer because it gets so warm. And even though it's spring, I don't know, I think this will add the perfect pop of color to so many outfits this spring and summer, and I am truly like smitten with this bag. I love it. And next I'll actually show you something I think would be really cute with that bag, and it is this set from ASOS. This is the skirt, and it has these little yellow flowers on it, and then there is this top that goes with it, and it's like a bustier little two-piece set, and I think it's so cute. I think this will be really fun in Paris. But I think with the bag, I hate when people describe things as fun and I keep saying it. I think it's because I've been meditating on that today and now I can't stop saying it. But I just think together these will be really cute. I also think it's my attempt at trying not to say cute for every single thing. But I think everything's cute, so. The next thing is another thing from Sturetz, and it is crazy. I got like 5 really dressy things for Paris because I feel like it's a great place to do like photo shoot things. If you guys have been looking for something for a special occasion, for a wedding, for a birthday, this is great for a birthday. Just some really fun stuff. I mean, this is like a crazy ruffle sequin craziness, and I love it. I can't wait to shoot it. That is honestly one of my favorite things to shoot in Paris. And then this is something that's a little bit more subdued than the sequins. It is a, I can't get this button. Okay. So on the Stuart's website they had this paired with a fanny pack, and that's, or as we call them now, belt bags. And that's probably what I'll do too, because it's just this like big baby doll size dress, and I love dresses like this. I don't think I ever won't. They're my fave. And I just think it's super cute. I think I have a red belt bag, and I think maybe with a beret it would just be so adorable. And then this next thing is a bodysuit that is from Sézane, which is the French brand that made the bag that I showed you guys. And I love this because I can still wear a normal bra, which for all my ladies out there that have a bigger chest, bodysuits can be really hard to find where you can still wear your freaking bra. So when I saw this, I was super happy about it. It does look really long, so if you are tall, I think that this is a great bodysuit for you, and I think that that's something that Sézane is really good at doing. I am not tall, however, but if you are, Sézane stuff is great for you. And this, I just love the color. I think that it'll be really cute with, I mean, jeans, anything. I have some other more basic skirts that I'm going to bring that I think it would be really cute with there. And then this next thing you guys actually saw in my last video that I did, which was my ASOS haul. And this is this frilly dress from ASOS that, if you saw my reaction, you know I am in love with this dress. I don't even know if it like flatters me, but I just think this dress is so fun and I love it so much. I definitely want to shoot this in Paris, and I have no idea where, but maybe the Eiffel Tower. But I just love it, love it, love it, and had to include it in this because it's one of like my favorite things that I will be bringing with me. And then the 10th item, last but not least, is another bodysuit. I just got into bodysuits. I feel like I'm way behind on the bodysuit memo. I was really weary for so long, again, like I said, to be able to find one where I could wear my bra, and also, I don't know, I had this thing where I thought I hated bodysuits, and now I wore one the other day and I like had jeans on and I was like, whoa, it's just so much more flattering, and it is like, I don't know, it just looks really good. Jess, my girl, has been telling me for a long time that she loves bodysuits, and I was like, I don't know. But now I have finally come over to the side of bodysuits, and this one is from Nasty Gal. Oh, I have a bag of candy right there. This is a polka dot. It's like this burnt orange, and I love the color. It'll definitely have some cleavage, and if I didn't want that I could just safety pin it, but I just love this. I think it would be so cute with jeans, especially like light wash jeans, and I just love it. Nasty Gal's having a big sale, so I bought some stuff. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed my 10 favorite things that I'm bringing to Paris. I honestly love these items. And I'm curious to know, do you guys like seeing my 10 favorite things that I'm bringing on a bigger trip? Let me know, and if so, I will continue doing this so you can kind of see, instead of seeing all like the little things I'm bringing and everything, which would make the video really long, if you like seeing my 10 favorite things that I am bringing, please let me know. Next time you will get to see all my looks from Paris. Thank you for watching!